Let's talk about 3 ways that you can save time, money, and stress in your coaching business. All right. So if this is your first time seeing my face in your feed, my name is Elise Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches, and I help coaches just like you market your coaching business the simplest way possible. All right. So let's talk about these 3 ways that I can help you save time, money, and stress. Because y'all know when you're starting a coaching business, it can be all 3 of those things. You're wasting a lot of time, or it takes a lot of time. You are spending so much money and not getting a return on your investment. And then the third thing is just, it's so dang on stressful. You don't know if you're coming or going. So let me make this as simple as possible for you. All right. So number one way that you can do it is to save time is to use Done For You content. Now, for those of you who might not know what Done For You content is, it is actually different types of content that is already created for you, and then you are given the license and permission to use it as your own. Okay, it's another form of private label rights, right? So if you guys are familiar with, like, if you go in Target, you see things and brands that actually have Target's brand on it, but they didn't actually make it or create it. They actually, someone else gave it to them and said that, hey, you can put your name and logo on it. That's what Done For You content is. It is content that I've created for you and that you can use it as your own. It is a time saver. It is going to save you so much time because creating content from scratch will take you weeks. I've already done it for you. I've already created the content that is proven and tested that is going to work, and you can use it as content to build your authority, content to sell on your website as digital products, content for your videos, etc., right? And so that I provide that inside of the Coaching Business Simplified Club. You get Done For You content. And then the second thing about how to save money, we talked about how to save time. The second is how to save money, is to hire someone to teach you what you know. That is all inside of the Coaching Business Simplified as well. I offer spotlight coaching. I also offer marketing meetings. I also offer playing with me sessions. But anywho, to save you money, you definitely want to hire someone who can help you shortcut the whole process. One of the things that I did in my coaching business is I try to do it on my own. I tried to Google everything. I tried to piece together different books. It worked, but it just took me so much time and so much money when I can actually just hire someone to help me shortcut, teach me the systems that she's using, the processes that work for her, and then implement them into my business. Well, in the Coaching Business Simplified Club, that is what I do. I do spotlight coaching. I give you an opportunity to sign up for a laser coaching session with me. Things to shortcut the process so you can get to the results as fast as possible. Okay. So that's number 2, hire someone, get someone to help you with the process. The third thing of how to eliminate the stress and starting a coaching business is that you want to start implementing systems, automation systems in your business so that you're not always working in your business. You want to spend a lot more time being more strategic. You want to spend more time networking, connecting, engaging with your community. You don't always want to be in the business creating content, trying to figure this out, reading tons of books, or making sure that you sending the email and you making sure things fire off. You want to have systems in place that it works like click clock. like what's the word I want to use? TikTok. Is that the word I want to use? That, y'all get what I'm talking about. You really want it to work as smooth as possible. And systems are going to help you make that possible for yourself. Okay. So those are 3 ways that you can save time, money, and stress in your coaching business. All right. So y'all, thank you for joining me. Thank you for going along with me with my little mistakes. But hey, if you are looking for other resources and tools to help you grow your coaching business, definitely click the link in my bio, and it's going to take you to all of my free resources as well as my paid resources inside of my $7 and below store, where you can get resources that really help you speed you up in growing your coaching business. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.